so calm and wide, a little duck goes for a slide, waddling gently left and right, splashing water, what a sight. Yellow feathers soft and bright, shining warmly in the light. Quack, 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 a happy sound, echoing softly all around. He swims so fast, he swims so slow, through the ripples he loves to go. Diving deep and popping high, under the open sunny sky. He meets his friends along the shore, playing games and wanting more, sharing joy in every way, making memories every day. When clouds turn orange, pink and gold, and evening stories start to unfold, he rests his head so calm and small, dreaming gently through it all. Quack, good night, the stars appear, the pond is quiet, soft and